What's going on, guys? D5. It's your boy, Start Breezy, baby. Start Breezy.
Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip for the freebie. Just look at the chart, look at the gram, farming like I'm Stunner Breezy. Get it from the start, ain't worried about rugs. 25 drip when you see me. 25 drip when you see me.
Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live again with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, you know how we do it. Might step outside, might give me a blues. Yeah, baby, you hear that? Them ain't no fat girl thigh roll together, baby. Them bird, man. Hey, you know why? Because the animal farm is taking over for the 99 and the 2000. 2000! Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. Hey, I'm so excited. I had to bring you another video today, man. This was just in my soul, inside my soul, because my soul is cold. Never mind, you don't know about the LL. But check this out, man. But I did some calculation, man, and the animal farm just literally blew my mind. You know, if I had to do another video, it blew my mind. Now, remember, this is not even Thanksgiving. This tonight. This is the night before Thanksgiving. It ain't even Thanksgiving. I did 2 videos yesterday that I'm bringing to you today. Because I'm going to be busy. Right? But obviously, it's obvious that some people don't understand how the animal farm works, bro. Maybe they don't want to know because they're scared. You know what I'm saying? And, you know what it is. Some of the elephant money people. Not all. Because most people are in both. Let's keep it real. Most people are in both. But some people are not. So, I heard one guy say he had $195,000 in the elephant. I'm like, what? I'm like, man, but you know, one thing they say, oh, 90% that. So we finna go over there. I'm talking about to blow your mind. Hey, man, I hope your turkey done digested. I'm finna, woo-wee. So let's get right to it. Now we gonna use $100,000, just a nice round number, so everybody can be clear. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you put $100,000 into the elephant farm right now. You know what I'm saying? No pie in the sky. We ain't talking about we're supposed to be pegging out. We talking about right now. If nothing ever happens, just stay, quote unquote. You say it's a stable coin, so it's stable at the 36 cents. Right? Now, look at the percentages. They're all the same. So that's easy math. You basically gonna make $46,000 on $100,000, right? Give or take, go up, go down. That's easy math, right? Now, let's take that same 100,000 over to the animal farm, right? Now, let's go to the farms. Cause you know I'm gonna keep it all the way up buck. But you gonna go to the stable farm. I'm gonna go to the stable farm. USDTB USD. Stable farm. Nothing up, nothing down. Same money, right? $100,000. Let's look at the fee. I'm gonna throw the fee in there. With that 2%, so that's about what, $2,000 by $98,000 rough, give or take. That's really $100,000. 2%. That's nothing. But we go $98,000. Gonna do it right. Now I've been doing this so long. I know it. I can look at a number and know. I've been farming, so I know how much. That's about 0.5% a day, basically. Because 365 is 1%. That's about half. So that's about 0.5% a day. You know what I'm saying? About 0.5% a day on $100,000, because 1% is $1,000. So 0.5%, that's about $500 a day, right? It's easy. If you've been doing this long enough, bro, you can do this stuff so easy in your head, right? So that's basically $500 a day. Now here we go, get into the math, right? Let's see how much dogs that is. Dogs at $57. That's about $8.7 a day, right? Every day. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The people that say it's 90% tax. Now, nobody in the history is doing that. Like, who that has $100,000 disposable income is just going to throw away 90%? They're not going to do that. But just for the people, that's just all the argument they got, 90%. Okay, cool. Even if you take that 90% tax, now we're just doing round numbers just to keep it even. Let's just say it ends up being 1 dog a day, right? Off of that almost 9 dogs. 1 dog a day, right? We see that right there. That's $57. Now this is free money. Remember, it's free. You just put your little 100,000 in, and it's free for life. $57. What that, 0.28? Every day times 365 days. That's basically $20,000. That's basically $21,000 a year, right? That's just if you just worst case scenario, you don't give a shit about nothing. You just gonna sell every day at 90% tax. I hate Forex. I hate nobody. Why would you even get in the farm if you go do? But just for the sake of showing apples to apples, right? So you'll make the 46,000 over there. You make 20,000. If just worst case scenario, just fees and all, right? All right, cool. Now, since we already know what we're making $8.7 a day. If you were to take those same $8.7 a day, stake them in the dog pound, right? After around about, I don't know how many days, we ain't got that yet, around about 90 days, let's just say 90 days, right? You get to start withdrawing those dogs out, right? So we know that's $500. We know that the 8.7 plus that's $500 a day. Think about this, bro. I want you to think about this. This is mind blowing. At this point, you got 90 stakers. You've been staking every day. You just take your 8.7, you stake them over there in the dog pound. 8.7, you stake it. Next day, you stake. So now you got 90 stakes. Now you finna start chomping them off every day. $500 a day, bro. Every day. And remember, you still earning right here. It don't stop. After 90 days, it's for life. You're still earning $500 a day. You're still earning 8.7 every day. So when you take out one, you add one. Take out one, you add. So you always, you've created a passive income stream for life. You got past your feelings and your stupidity, and you created a $500 a day income stream for the length of this animal farm, right? Let's do the math on that. 500 times 365 days. Bro, that's $182,000. Are you kidding me? That's on a stable form. You still got your $98,000 right here. That's yours. All this is free. This is free money. $182,000 a year on, you just put in $90,000, bro. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? All you did, and let me, I'm finna really knock you over the head now. You ready? Okay, let's go. That's just stablecoin. That's just USD. Now over here, it don't matter where you go. You're going to get the same 46%. I'm not trying to be funny. It's the truth. I'm not making this. I'm not being no hater. I'm just showing you. Same for it. Now over here, I'll show you now. Now if you want to be a renegade, you want to make a little extra, come on over here. Let's do the cake. Everybody like cake. You know what I'm saying? Cake B&B, whatever you want to do. Cake B&B pay, that's roughly 1% a day. 365% is 1% a day. If I'm lying, then tell me I'm lying. 365% a year is 1% a day. Easy math, bro. That's how I can do this stuff in my head. Easy math, right? 1% a day on $100,000 is $1,000. It's $980 if you got $98,000. Roughly. You know what I'm saying? We're doing a rough number. So you could basically double, because this paying 1%, the other one paying 0.5%. So you basically double it. You basically double that. Let's see what that is. See if we're going to do it right. Easy math. $365,000. Bro, you can't make this stuff up. Is that not mind-blowing, bro? Off of a $100,000 investment? That is mind-blowing, bro. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And that's what the numbers stand even. No pie in the sky. No $100 peg. None of that. Just after 90 days, this is for life. Now are you sitting down? Are you sitting down? But wait, there's more. I got more, bro. Now, if that 180,000 wasn't enough, or that 365,000 wasn't enough, come on over here. Let me show you something else. We got more now. We got more. This is what that people don't understand, bro. After them 90 days, it's forever. You taking out one, you putting in another. Then you got stakes forever right here, bro. Forever. Stakes. 8.7 every day, right? Cool. Now remember, you staking. So you got to stake in one of these pools. if you're staking in this pool, let me add this up. Let me pull out the calculator. You know I gotta pull out the calculator. Let me add this up now. Ooh, that's a nice number. Add this up. 8.7 pigs times. I meant pigs. I meant dogs. Not a day. That's 783 dogs. Bro, that's almost, I saw Jamie post, almost a BNB a day, bro. A BNB a day, roughly. So not only are you, this is almost insane. If I was to tell you this before this was out, you wouldn't believe me. That's how awesome this farm is, bro. So not only are you staking and you're making $500 a day, now you stake it and you stake it in this pool, you're getting another $300 a day. Basically a BNB a day on 700 and something. Now I'm not sure how that, and that's just now, because once this get to going and everybody, the buying and selling, the rewards go higher. So this is roughly, but again, one thing you missing, this is all free. This is all off of that $100,000 deposit that you paid the fee on. Oh, you better pay a 2% fee. Bro, of course you gotta pay a fee to get in here. It's like the baddest club in the world. You want to get in free? I hate people like that. Them the people that want you to run all around town to another ATM because that's $2 for a fee. Oh man, they charging $2.25. Take me down to the street. Take me down. Get your man. Oh, I hate people like that, bro. Them the same people. Oh, you gotta pay a fee to get in? Yes, you do. You want to make this kind of money? You gotta pay an entry fee. There ain't no Valorant. Oh, ain't no fee, no fee, no fee. Well, have fun with that then. Over here, yes, with all these goodies. Now you might say, well, I don't like the linear pool. Oh, I like the auto car. Okay, you come over here, you're staking. You getting pigs, which is 120. I don't even know how many pigs you'll get. I'm gonna get that and I'm gonna tell you. You know what I'm saying? Not only that, you get these some more free stuff. Free dog BNB liquidity pool tokens. That means you can BNB and dog again for free that you can withdraw and farm in the dog BNB pool. Then you're gonna be earning more. Bro, I can't make this. You can't compete. There is not a farm in history giving you more free stuff, bro. Off of one deposit. $100,000 deposit, you get all that free stuff. And that's just in the 90 day. I did that on the 90 day. If you want to do it over here, let me see. 8.7 dogs times 365 days. That's $3,000. But do you know how? Look here, man. If you don't get it, you don't get it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to get it. If you don't get it, you don't want to get it. Numbers don't lie, bro. Numbers do not lie. This is pure numbers. They don't know if I'm calculating pig feet, coffee, door handles, none of that. But we talking about money. Like I said, if I were to show you this before it came out, you would have told me I'm lying. Now it's here. You don't want to believe, oh, nah, you just want stuck on 90%. You do that, bro. But I just showed you this is the best farm ever created in the history of farming, of yield farming. Better than Pancake, better than everything, bro. Period, point blank. The dog pile is, listen, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, holler back at your boy, man.